you should make a wish. Pag lumalabas yan, mag-wish ka. Like, gusto ko ng ganito, gusto ko ng ganyan, okay? So, tingnan natin. Punta tayo sa iyo. You never miss a day na wala yung attention mo doon sa tinanim mo na yung. Kasi you're expecting, my dear, na sa harvest season is malalaki talaga yung mga bunga niya, na as in like, hitik na hitik, okay? So, and normally, my dear, pag lumalabas ang Five of Pentacles, ito ay may kinalaman sa issue na may kinalaman sa usapin ng pinansyal. It's unfair. Like, people is just only using me like this, like that. It's because probably...
Full video will be available on YouTube February 6, 2026, 10 o'clock a.m. Philippines time, and on Facebook February 6, 2026, 5 o'clock p.m. Philippines time. Thank you.